In Shenango County, the Raymond Corporation held their 10th annual Manufacturing Day event. 12 News' Connor Thompson spoke to one leader who says this is an important event to show or to help students the importance of careers in engineering and manufacturing.
Students from all over the southern tier were in green on Friday for the Raymond Corps' annual Manufacturing Day. But what exactly is this day all about?
It's an exciting time to introduce science, technology, engineering, and manufacturing to students that are trying to decide their future careers. And this event gives us the opportunity to give them an awesome factory tour, but also get to see some of the interesting science and technology and engineering opportunities that are here at the Raymond Corporation.
Tony Topensnik is the Vice President of Operations, Quality, and Environmental Health Services at Raymond Corps. 150 students were on the campus today with the chance to do some hands-on activities to see what they do. Some of these hands-on activities include virtual reality.
We have a virtual reality welding simulator. We have a virtual reality paint simulator, so students can understand if they like welding or painting. We also have a virtual reality forklift trainer, so if they want to see if they want to drive a forklift. So it gives them an actual hands-on experience.
For students that could not attend on Friday, there is a virtual option that runs through October 31st, allowing students the same chance to see what a career in this field would look like. Topensnik says that students that came to previous events are now working for Raymond thanks to this event. He adds it is important to continue to hold events like these in the future.
Part of an ongoing effort that the National Association of Manufacturers launched in 2012. So with the Raymond Corporation working in conjunction with the National Association of Manufacturers, this is really important for us to showcase Manufacturing Day events annually so that we can really continue to have that continuous stream of students coming in.
Connor Thompson, 12 News, Shenango County.